Okay, this is our new Deckover dumper, and Matt here is going to show you. We're going to open up all the doors. Matt, open everything up, the side doors first. Awesome. Yeah, this is 3.5 ton Deckover. All the sides open up, right down. Excellent for side loading. Try to open up the other side as well. Yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, that's nice. Yeah, open up those back doors too. Perfect. Yeah, swing them right around, right around. Okay, there we go. That's great, Matt. I'll just do the quick show here. Open bed. These come in all sizes, all shapes, all colors. And here we go.